red light.
Here.
Here we are, feeding. How good is that?
Yeah, look at it all over.
Oh, maybe some of their friends will come. Yeah, they think you're good.
Yeah.
Come on.
Pretty good.
Is it good? Good snack?
There you go.
Oh, we have three going.
There you go.
Oh well, now you.
Yeah, we go.
This is such a valuable moment.
We have to send this to our daughter-in-law because she did this in Kansas City, Grizzly Bear, and when the bird landed on her hand, she said,
Oh, cute.
"Oh, you're filming. You should have done it again."
No, that's good.
Good boys. Yeah, good boys.
We are at the bird sanctuary. How fun is All right. For some reason, these birds really like the men's hair.
I don't have any.
Yeah, they like them. Oh, and their ears.
Here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead with you.
Yeah.
Smile. Smile, birds. One was giving me a kiss because she was chewing on my lips.